film with fresh eyes, na wala akong kaalam-alam. We are all very, very proud of this film. Aside from the NPRCB, of course, we have to watch it before we can screen it. Kayo po ang unang audience who will see it. Nauna pa kayo sa mga artista, nauna pa kayo sa crew, sa staff, sa prod. Lahat po kami sa Viernes pa namin mapapanood ang buo. So you will be the first. So the first thing you will realize, I think, pag napanood niyo po yung pelikula is, however much you may have liked the trailer was only 30% of the movie. So yung mismong meat ng pelikula, is 30%, well, is not in the trailer. So mas masalimuot po siya, especially yung third act na mabigat siya. So sana, let's keep that part a secret para bigyan po natin ang opportunity for the audience to discover it for themselves. But you guys are lucky kasi from now on, the secret will be out there. So it will be up to us to try to extend the secrecy a little bit more. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.